You are gonna love this crispy and tangy orange chicken that is quick and easy to make. Once given it a try, you will want to make it again and again. First, let's prepare some freshly squeezed orange juice. You will need this to marinate the chicken and also for making the orange sauce. For this recipe, you will need 400 grams of boneless chicken thighs that are cut in smaller pieces. Then adding 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 2 grated garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, and freshly squeezed orange juice. Mix it well. Then cover and marinate in the fridge for 30 minutes. Next, we are gonna prepare the batter. In a bowl, adding 5 tablespoons of rice flour, 2.5 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 2.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then gradually adding 90 ml water and mix well. Mix until you get a smooth and fluid texture. Remove the chicken from the fridge and adding the chicken pieces into the batter. Combine well and set it aside. Now we are gonna prepare the orange sauce. In a small bowl, adding 1 teaspoon of paprika, 50 grams of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, 120 ml freshly squeezed orange juice, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Give it a good mix and set it aside. Next, we're gonna make the starch water. In a bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Set this aside. In a wok, adding vegetable oil. Set the heat on medium-high. Then adding the chicken pieces one at a time. Fry the chicken in batches and do not overcrowd the pan. First, fry the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes until little golden. Drain and set this aside. Continue to first fry the rest of the chicken pieces. Then return all the chicken pieces to the oil on medium-high heat and do a second fry. Fry for another 1 minute until light golden brown. Drain and set them aside. In a wok on low heat, adding the orange sauce. Continue to cook until the sauce starts boiling. Once boiling, gradually adding the starch water, adding a little bit at a time. Keep stirring until the sauce thickens up. Then adding the fried chicken pieces. Combine everything well. Turn the heat up to medium-high and continue to cook until the sauce turns sticky. Now it's ready to serve. Garnish with some chopped green onions and some orange wedges. This orange chicken has a wonderfully crispy texture and a rich, tangy, and flavorful taste. I hope you can give it a try. If you like my channel, remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye!